So, who can tell me how to cure malaria? Auntie, hi.
Rono.
Yes, Afusa. By saying malaria, go. 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 Shut up! 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8. Who wrote this thing on the board? No, who wrote malaria on my board?
We must learn a lesson.
Tani malaria ṣenu yín? So whoever wrote it, you spoke now. You guys should spoke now. Do I even have time that I will now be going and writing something on the board? In fact, where is my register? There is no 2 ways about it. All of you, minus 10. Balikisi. Who wrote this thing for the last time? Aima.
Rono.
My sweetheart, they deceive me. Kenny. See, we be the one to write it. You do as if now only you sabi book. But mass head. So, can you give me a good reason why you wrote this thing? I'm so sorry, Mad, because that is the next topic under our syllabus. So that is why I just wrote it there. Dalikis, you will not cease to surprise me. Only you in this class. You are my joy giver. Don't worry. I'm going to give you 10 good marks for having the common sense to do like this.
What?
Thank you, ma. 10 marks. Hey. Hey. Who cares? 10 marks. Now you no come write malaria. Fool the whole class. Malaria for don't cast everybody. Malaria, typhoid, malaria, typhoid, malaria, typhoid. See it. You see those bunch of fools? Do they even know what they call syllabus? Balikis plus 10. Because of this, we are moving straight to malaria. So you can open your textbook to page 401.
We must learn a lesson.
Talking about malaria. Malaria is a human disease caused by a plasmodium parasite transmitted by the bite of an infected mosquito. And people who get malaria are typically very sick with high fevers, shaking, coughing, having difficulties, constant headache, and flu-like illness. Malaria can be prevented through the protection against mosquito bites. Include the use of mosquito bed nets. Like, Afusa, I know you have something like that in your house. Yes, mosquito nets. The wearing of clothes that covered most of the body. So, who can tell me how to cure malaria? Auntie, hi.
Rono.
Yes, Afusa. By saying malaria, go. 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 Shut up! As if I know. By saying go to where? Your family's house or where?
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
In fact, a responsible person. Hi.
Who is she?
Rachel. Jusu. Okay. So if you have any symptoms of malaria, you will just, send somebody or you go there yourself to all those people that are on that bridge. Especially Yasaki. You just go there and tell them, say, Fumilagbo. And mix it for they are going to mix it together for you. Everything is inside Jedi, typhoid, malaria. They will mix it together inside one nylon like this. The nylon is very small. Then you now shake it like this. You now do like this. Then you drink it. Belura straight. Within 3 to 5 minutes. Like you are going to sweat from inside. Like you will sweat from inside. Where did malaria want to stay again? Nowhere for the malaria again. The malaria will just alele, ping. You don't go near. Those my people, they can say anything, say especially at good. They're full under bridge. Pa, lalale. These students will not kill me. Eh? If an inspector should enter now. Abuya Shaki man, she says, tell you what one on that. She agbero ni mo nko ni. Am I lecturing agberos? Hey. So, what is your ambition again? To become a medical doctor. Not only a medical doctor. The way I'm looking at you like this, like, you can only become native doctor because there is no two ways about it. Odo ya lagbo. Inside English class. Ha! Rachel. Should I just...
Hi, ma.
Yes? Okay, Balikis, you have something to say.
Yes.
Don't disappoint me, yo. Okay, let's hear you too because I cannot even trust anybody in this class anymore.
Malaria can be cured with prescriptions drugs to kill the parasite.
She, una dey hear student, a reasonable, common sense student. So that way, she know her parents are really trying to send her to school.
We must learn a lesson.
Any which way, una exam is coming very soon, and I am ready to give anybody carry over with this thing. There is no two ways about it. You guys will carry this course in it. So that is the end on today's topic. By next time, maybe we will look at the effect of malaria in the body because you guys have already frustrated me, so I got to go. See you guys next time. Balikis, bye bye. Hey. So we say I want to become head gay by fire by force.
Malaria can shame you. Who get the time?
But so far we are in the same class. We are of the same level. Kò dọ́ra kíni. Sẹ́tì kò sì kẹ́ lọ pa malaria yín. Maybe malaria is still casting you. Àwọn onítẹ̀mọ̀ àti sọnù.